everybody, my name is Megan and I'm here today to do some literacy with you. I thought we could talk about money and what the value of money is. Let's get started. You can see on this side we have a bunch of Canadian bills, and then on this side we have a bunch of Canadian coins. Let's go one by one and name them all and how much they are worth. Let's start with this one. Can anybody tell me how much this bill is worth? It's a blue bill. And I'll give you a little hint. It has the number on the bill. That's right. This one is worth $5. Good job. Let's go on to the next one. Can anybody tell me how much this bill is worth? It's a purple bill. That's right. This bill is worth $10. Good work. And here's the third one. It is a green bill. Can anybody tell me what it's worth? That's right. This one is worth $20. Amazing job. All right, here comes the next one. Are you ready? This bill right here, it's a red bill. Can anybody tell me what it's worth? That's right. This bill is worth $50. Great work. And here we have our last bill. This one is worth the most on our board. Can anybody tell me how much this bill is worth? That's right. This one is $100. That's a lot of money. All right, now that we're all done with our bills, let's move on to our Canadian coins. Let's start with the top one right here. This one is our biggest coin. Can anybody tell me how much it's worth? That's right. This one is worth $2. Can anybody tell me what the name of this coin is? I'll give you a hint. It starts with the letter T. That's right. This one is a toonie. Great work, guys. Let's move on to the next one here. Can anybody tell me how much this one is worth? I'll give you a hint. It is less than the toonie. That's right. This is $1. Can anybody tell me the name of this coin? I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with toonie. That's right. It's a loonie. Amazing job. Let's move on to the next one. This one right here. Can anybody tell me how much it's worth? That's right. It's worth 25 cents. So you can write it out, 25 cents, or in numbers, it would look like this. Can anybody tell me what the name for 25 cents is? That's right, it's called a quarter. Good job, everybody. Now here is our next coin. This is the smallest coin that we have. Can anybody tell me how much it's worth? That's right. This one is worth 10 cents. Good job. Now, can you tell me what this coin is called? I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with lime. That's right. This coin is called a dime. Great work. Now we're on to our last coin. This one right here. Can anybody tell me how much it's worth? That's right. This one is worth 5 cents. Can anybody tell me what the name for this coin is? I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with tickle. That's right. This is called a nickel. Good job, everybody. We're now going to move on to our second part of literacy with money. I'll be right back. All right, everybody, here we go, our second part of money. We're going to talk about addition, the addition of money with our bills and our coins. So you can always use this to help you along the way. Let's get started. If we have our $5 bill plus another $5 bill 5 plus 5, how much is that? That's right. That would equal $10. So we have $5 plus $5 equals $10. Good job. Let's move on to our next one. Let's try with our $10. Let's go $10 plus $10. How much does that equal? So we'll have 10 plus 10 equals, that's right, $20. So $10 plus $10 equals $20. Good job. Let's go on to our next one. If we have the red bill, $50 plus another red bill of $50, how much would that equal all together? I'll give you a minute to think about it. That's right. It would equal a brown bill of $100. So $50 plus $50 equals a brown bill of $100. And that, remember, that is the biggest bill that we have on our board today. So that would be the most money. All right. Let's move on to our next one. I have to borrow this one. So if we have our green $20 bill, plus another green $20 bill, plus our purple $10 bill, how much would that equal? So we have 20 plus 20 plus 10. I know it's a bit of a tricky one, isn't it? That's right. That would be $50, which is our red bill. So we have our 20 plus 20 plus 10 equals our $50 bill. And now you can see all our bills right here. We can't make money with bills with a $5 because it is our smallest bill. But we can do all the rest because they are bigger bills. Great job, guys. Let's move on to our coins. And you can use this if you need a little bit of help, okay? So if we have one loonie plus one more loonie, which is $1, how much would that equal? One loonie plus one loonie would be $2 or a toonie. You got it. Good job. All right. Let's try this one. Here we have our 25 cents or our quarter. If we put 1 quarter plus 2 quarters plus 3 quarters plus 4 quarters, would that be? I'll give you a hint. It's one of our coins on here. That's right. It would be our $1 loonie. So we have 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and 4 quarters equals 1 loonie. Good job, guys. You got it. All right. We're going to go on to the next one. So remember our smallest coin, our dime. We're going to do 1 dime is 10 cents plus another dime, another 10 cents. Plus our 5 cents. How much does that equal? I'll go over it again. So we have 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 5 cents. It's one of our coins on our chart. That's right. It would be our quarter. Great job, guys. You got it. All right, last one. So here we have our smallest value is our 5 cents or our nickel. We're going to put one of those on plus one more nickel of 5 cents. So we have 5 cents plus 5 cents. How much does that equal? I'll give you a hint. It's the smallest looking coin. That's right. It's the 10 cents, or it's called the dime. So we have 5 cents plus 5 cents equals 10 cents. You guys are doing so great. Let's switch it up a little bit. I'm going to take some of these down and I'm going to need your help. Almost there. All right. We're going to do this a little bit differently this time. So we have our purple $10 bill. Can anybody remember what 2 bills we use of the same to make $10? So we have $10. Which ones do we use out of our bills right here to make $10? That's right. 2 blue $5 bills. Great job, guys. You're doing awesome. So we have our 5 plus $5 equals $10. Let's try, let's move down a little bit. Let's try this one. We have our $100. What 2 of the same bills makes $100? That's right. The red $50 bill right here. So we have 150 plus 2 50s equals the brown $100 bill. Great job. Let's do this one next. So we have our green $20 bill. What two bills makes $20? I'll give you a hint. It's the purple one. That's right. It's the purple $10 bill. So we have $10 plus $10 equals $20. Great job. All right. Let's move on to this one right here. Can we remember we need 3 bills to make $50? And remember, 2 of them are the same. Can anybody tell me what they are? That's right. We have one $20 bill plus another $20 bill plus a $10 bill, and that equals our $50 bill. That means it's the same amount of money. So all these 3 smaller bills is the same amount of money as our red $50 bill. Good job. Let's try our coins. Let's start with our top one right here. So here, remember, is our toonie, and it is worth $2. What 2 coins that are the same equal a toonie? That's right. It's our loonie. So we have 1 loonie plus 2 loonies equals our toonie. Great job. All right. Let's move on to this one right here. Remember, this is our $1. Oopsie. This is our $1 loonie. What 4 coins that are the same would we need to make $1? I'll give you a minute to think about it. That's right, it's our 25 cents or our quarter. So we need 1 quarter of 25 cents, 2 25 cents, 3 25 cents, and 4 25 cents to make $1. So 4 quarters equals $1. Great job. Let's move on to this one right here. We just talked about our quarters with our loonie. So what 3 coins do we need to make the same amount of money as a quarter? I'll give you a hint. 2 of them are the same, and they're pretty tiny. That's right. We need 1 dime plus 2 dimes plus our 5-cent nickel to equal 25 cents or a quarter. Let's go over that one more time. So we have our 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 5 cents equals 25 cents. You guys are doing so great. And our last one for the day. Let me see if you can figure this one out. So we have our smallest coin is our dime. Can anybody tell me what 2 coins you need to equal a dime. Remember, you can always use our chart right here. That's right, it's our nickel. We need 2 nickels. So we go 1 nickel, which is 5 cents, plus another nickel, 5 cents, equals our dime of 10 cents. You think one more time? I think so too. So we have our 5 cents plus our 5 cents equals 10 cents. You guys did an absolutely fantastic job today. I'm very proud, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.